Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us here on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields and you're watching the Buzzing Trends. Today we're looking at the ASX-listed banks and seeing how these stocks are performing following the release of the federal budget. Let's get started. The budget of 2022 announced a slew of economic measures focused on cost of living support and tax offsets. It also sought to provide relief to citizens by halving the fuel excise tax for 6 months. And the real estate sector was also boosted by the deposit guarantee schemes, which were extended to support first home buyers. The big four banks largely supported the pre-election budget, although they still find no reason for the Australian Central Bank to start raising interest rates in the coming months. So that said, let's have a look at how the ASX-listed banking shares have performed following the release of the federal budget. The first on our list to look at is Commonwealth Bank of Australia. Commonwealth Bank described the budget as a pre-election budget focusing on stabilising the debt accumulated while supporting the country during COVID-19. The ASX-listed bank also said that the cost of living payments could trigger near-term demand and inflation. And the Commonwealth Bank believes that the Australian Central Bank will raise interest rates from June of 2022. And looking at its share price performance, Commonwealth Bank shares have traded flat since budget day. And as of today's mid-market session, the stock has surged over 2.52% on a year-to-date basis. And the next one to have a look at is NAB, or National Australia Bank. According to NAB, while the budget's focus was on the cost of living measures, it's unclear how these measures would be implemented ahead of the election. The bank has also said that the economic outlook matched that of the government, and they believe that the Australian Central Bank will raise interest rates from August of 2022. And looking at its share price performance now, and NAB share price has been up 0.81% since the budget day. And as of today's afternoon, the market session, the stock has surged over 9.86% on a year-to-date basis. And looking now to ANZ, which described the budget as reasonable but a little bit conservative. The bank believes that COVID-19 in the European conflict as well and in the inflation cycle on top of that, as well as the upcoming election, have influenced the budget. The bank expects the Reserve Bank of Australia cash rate to reach 2% by the end of 2023. And looking to its share price performance now, ANZ shares have traded flat since budget day. And as of today's mid-market session, the stock has been down by 2.42% on a year-to-date basis. And the last on our list is Westpac Banking Corp. Unlike others, Westpac highly praised the economic measures proposed by the government in the budget. It believes that the government's measured stimulus program is to be applauded, striking a responsible balance between fiscal repair and new policy initiatives as they head to the polls. Westpac shares have traded flat since the budget day, and as of today afternoon, the market session, the stock has surged over 11% on a year-to-date basis. And that is all for now on the Buzzing Trends, but tune in next time only on Kalkine TV. This is Holly Shields signing off.